So, what was the last memory of your grandma cooking something for you?
Grandma, my grandma.
Either from father's side or mother's side.
Oh, it's been a long time ago. I
You
don't
don't
remember.
My favorite, one of my favorite, my grandma's cooking is definitely, it's called muntahu.
Muntahu. I know muntahu.
Muntahu. My grandma cooked a very mean muntahu.
Mean?
Very mean. Very,
Oh.
very mantap. Very gokil. It's very awesome. And this time, we're gonna check out somebody else's grandma to cook the onion samosa recipe. I'm not sure what is an onion
By my granny.
Okay, so Ankit Kino, this is for you. We're gonna check out this video
Check it out.
right now.
Maida.
Apa itu? Maita?
Flour.
Tepung.
Tepung.
Tepung banyak banget.
Iyalah.
Ah, iyalah.
I think she will make a
For the whole
bigger
family.
version.
Gimana?
What is that?
Oh, nggak ada.
Nona? Gula? Or garam?
Or salt. Mix together.
Minyak?
I think
Minyak.
oil.
Water.
Wow.
Waduh. Masa kayaknya bread gitu deh.
It's like a dough ya,
Iya.
bread dough.
Oh? Jadi kayak gitu ya?
Onion.
Waduh, banyak banget.
It's onion samosa.
Oh, that's how you peel onion. I didn't know.
Oh, they using ini ya, red onionnya. The red onion is quite big loh. Here in Indonesia we don't have that one.
This.
We have shallot.
What?
Chopped nicely.
What? What is poha?
Ano ba?
Masalah
Oh, yeah.
apa?
Garam.
Garam. Oh, ini this one.
Garam is
Garam
salt.
masala.
Oh, no, that's not salt.
Garam masala.
Jeera
Jeera
powder.
Jeera powder.
Tanya apa?
What? Coriander.
Coriander powder.
Cabai.
Chili. Red eye chili.
Ano tadi ya?
I have no idea. Waduh,
Mix it together. Pedas loh itu.
mana pedas? Oke.
Antara
Ginger
Ginger,
garlic.
garlic.
Udah ini pakai ginger garlic lagi. Wow.
Is it the dough? The
Yeah.
previous dough?
I think so. Oh, nice. Ini gak ada daging kan?
There's only onion. The main ingredient is onion.
The aroma pasti kenceng banget ya.
Iya.
Jadi kayak pangsit.
Pangsit. Is he going to fry or
I think it's gonna smoke the back. I think.
That's how you fold.
Ini jadinya kayak crunchy deh.
Garing-garing gitu ya.
Ah.
Oh, fry.
gimana teh?
What? liter, bos.
Fire. Hey, be careful.
I think I should start cooking like this. Save electricity, man.
Iya. But not good for polusi, man, itu.
Iya. Pancinya gede. Jadi kayak risol.
Risol, ya. Tuh pastel, lu tau pastel?
Tahu.
Nice. Ini ya, dibagi-bagiin ya. Heh, cute.
Kayak yang fakir miskin gitu kayak.
They use the sauce, chili sauce.
Oh, sampai malam loh. Oh, maybe different place. Nah, kasihan ya. Lihat tuh bajunya sampai kumal semua gitu. Oh, even yang dewasa. Oh, tambah.
Can I have
Minta
one
dua lagi.
more, please?
Oh, dua
two more,
lagi.
please.
Belum habis pun nambah.
No, he will deliver to his friend.
So we don't get only to see a recipe of an onion samosa.
Onion samosa, yeah.
We also get to see
How
the
the samosa
righteous act of giving.
delivered to the unfortunate people.
Yes, so it's very interesting though in the way that all these how do you call it, all this cooking channel, they're not just consuming it for themselves.
Yeah,
They're also giving it away. I thought that's very very noble.
Even in the previous video, cooking video that we watched,
It's also for kids.
yeah, for kids in the village.
Yeah. And however, let's talk about the food for a little bit.
The onion samosa.
I have no idea what is that. Never seen it. I mean, okay, the way the casing is very similar,
Yeah.
but the inside.
The inside, it's basically
It's very
literally
onion.
only onion. Yeah,
Literally
the
onion.
main ingredient is onion.
Waduh, itu the strong must be. The strong must be. The taste must be
I
strong.
believe your eyes will be teary when
Yeah,
you
yeah.
chop
That's interesting though. I've never seen that before. I've never seen it. How does it taste like? I think it's very oniony.
or very crunchy. The skin.
Anyway, guys, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
See ya. Bye. Are you still here? They're still watching.
Oh, thank you so much for watching
Thank you so much
until
till the end. Till the end.
this second.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Don't forget to
While you're here, don't forget to
subscribe.
subscribe. Don't forget to.
Hit the like button.
And guys, if you are looking for advertising,
Yep.
email us.
Email us at hiubangshow@gmail.com.
Or even better, go to our Patreon page. We got tons of good
The
stuff.
link is on the description
Yeah.
box.
You know, we've been doing this for quite a while. We've been asking them to do. Nobody go to our Patreon page.
But maybe after this, they will.
Maybe after this. Anyway, guys, as
Thank
always,
you for watching.
thank you.